Hello fam, welcome to another episode of Cooking with the Charleses. Today we're doing a peanut butter marshmallow cream pie. Also, if you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's do this. Alright, so these are the ingredients we're going to use for this amazing dish. Look at these. Can't wait to start. Let's do this. So what we're doing here is making our whipped cream. We just put a cup of whipped cream in the mix and just fluffing away. So this is how it looks thus far with the powdered sugar mixed in. Delicious. Come on, let's do this. Now we are adding the powdered sugar into the mix. Oops, that's a little bit too much. Just gradually, not all at once. Look at that mixing action going on. All right, I'll see you soon. Now we're adding the cream cheese. Now we're gonna add our sugar, graduated sugar into the mix. All right. Now we are mixing until creamy. Oh my, look at that. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Look at that. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Creamy goodness. All right, y'all. My favorite part is coming. Marshmallow fluff in the house. Let's get it. Oh, man, it's stuck. It's so marshmallowy. Just going to add that to the mix. All right. Mixing is happening right now. That marshmallow fluff has been added to the cream cheese. And look at that goodness. Yes. And in goes the peanut butter. Oops. Wow. Yeah. There's the peanut butter. So this is the creamy peanut butter added to the cream cheese mixture and everything else. And that looks so amazing. So amazing. Now we are going to fold in this awesome whipped cream into the mix. Look at that. Oh man, so good. Let's just keep on folding it in. Oh, I can't wait for me and my family to dig into this. It's gonna be delish. Delicious. So we went ahead and filled our pie crust with our filling, and we're gonna place this in the fridge for about 4 whole hours. Stacy's gonna taste some of this delicious peanut butter pie. Marshmallow peanut butter pie.
I'm going in. I've been eyeing it for some time.
Especially on a nice hot day like this. Perfect.
It's really good. I like the extra crunch.
Yes.
The toffee bits. They did it. And then it was like it's an Oreo crust?
It is an Oreo crust.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, delicious. It adds just a little pop to the dish.
Alan's the baking queen, so she did it again.
Thank you. Yes. So, thank you so much for watching Cooking with the Charleses. Always remember, life's better, well seasoned. Have a great one. Bye.